How to choose a career that suits your current needs and priorities. Today, we're tackling a topic that many of us face at some point in our lives: choosing a career path that suits our current needs and priorities. Whether you're just starting out or considering a change, finding the right career can be challenging, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process to shortlist, match, and choose the top 3 career options that align with your needs and priorities. So, let's get started. Step 1. Self-assessment. The first step in choosing a career path is to assess yourself. Take some time to reflect on your interests, values, skills, and personality traits. You can use online tools like career quizzes or personality tests to help you with this process. Remember, the more you know about yourself, the easier it will be to find a career that aligns with your strengths and passions. Step 2. Identify your needs and priorities. The first step is to identify your needs and priorities. Ask yourself questions like, what kind of lifestyle do you want? What kind of work environment do you prefer? What are your financial goals? What are your personal values? Once you have a clear understanding of your needs and priorities, you can move on to the next step. Step 3. Identify your values. The next step is to identify your values. What is important to you in life? Do you value creativity, independence, security, flexibility, or something else? Knowing your values will help you identify the type of work environment and culture that you would thrive in. Step 4. Identify your goals. The fourth step is to identify your goals. Where do you want to be in 5 or 10 years? What kind of lifestyle do you want to have? Do you want to travel, start a family, or pursue a specific hobby or passion? Knowing your goals will help you choose a career path that aligns with your long-term aspirations. Step 5. Research and shortlisting. Now that you have a better understanding of yourself, it's time to research potential careers. Start by making a list of careers that interest you. You can use online resources, talk to professionals in the field, or attend career fairs to gather information. Once you have a list, narrow it down to your top 10 choices based on factors like job outlook, salary, and work-life balance. Step 6. Match your options. The sixth step is to match your options. Look at each of the options on your shortlist and compare them to your needs and priorities. Consider things like job responsibilities, salary, work environment, and career advancement opportunities. This will help you determine which options are the best fit for you. Step 7. Choose about 3 options. The seventh and final step is to choose about 3 options that you want to pursue further. These should be the options that best match your needs and priorities. Once you have these options, do some more research to learn more about them. You can speak to people in the industry, attend events, and even shadow someone who works in the field. Choosing a career path that suits your current needs and priorities can be challenging, but with the right approach, it can also be a rewarding and fulfilling experience. By following these steps, you'll be able to identify your interests, values, and goals, research career options, and ultimately make an informed decision about your career path. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for watching till the end. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends and everyone who can benefit from this content. If you have not subscribed, please support this channel by hitting the subscribe button and helping us reach 1000 subscribers. For now, bye.